Here is a simple explanation for the cattle mutilations that have been recorded around the world, quite often in the United States, in bleak farmland and isolated places. And I've got here a two-dimensional cow, okay? And because we are three-dimensional creatures, when we look at a two-dimensional world and we see a ring like so, if we see another ring within it, nobody in that two-dimensional world with light coming in from all around this ring can see the green ring. They can only see the red one. We, on the other hand, can see the green ring. We can extract the green ring, take it out, and place it outside. Similarly, if we had a ring system like this in our world, where one ring interlocked with another in the 3 dimensions, a 4-dimensional being could remove the green ring and place it outside without breaking the red ring. Okay, so let's get rid of these rings. Simple explanation there for you. Now, we have this 2-dimensional cow, more or less. I know that there are some imperfections, but we'll call this a 2-dimensional cow. Now, because of what we mentioned about the rings, we can see a lot of things in its body that a 2-dimensional person wouldn't be able to see without cutting open the cow. So we can see its large aorta at the back there, which is a large artery that goes down the back of the cow. And you can see all the blood vessels that supply all the different limbs that this creature has, supplies all the brain and the heart and all the rest of it, okay? And inside it, we can also see the bone structure. We can see every single bone. And we wouldn't see it the way a 2-dimensional creature would see it. We'd see the bone both inside and out. We'd see all the cells that make up the bone. Okay, so all the long bones, all the small bones, we can see all of those. We can see every nerve. We can see its brain. We can see it all in sharp relief. Okay, so now, knowing that we can see all this, what we could do is from the 3rd dimension, if we wanted to be somewhat cruel and maybe spook out the farmer, we could remove this cow out of its dimension, so now it becomes invisible to anybody looking in to this area from that 2-dimensional world. We can empty out all the blood from the arteries if we wanted to. We can remove organs. So let's just say, for example, this cow has, I don't know where a cow's liver sits. I don't know if you know, but one of you might be a vet. But let's just say there's some organ there. We could remove that organ through the 3rd dimension. And after we've removed all that blood and maybe removed 1 or 2 organs, we can then place that cow, obviously dead now, back where it belongs and wait for the farmer to find it. And people will be wondering, oh, how do these cattle mutilations take place? Is there some kind of a government cover-up, or is this some kind of an alien phenomenon? And well, yes, it could be alien. It could be a lot of other things. A couple of friends are just going around doing this kind of thing. I don't know. But this is an explanation that seems to make some sense if you invoke a 4-dimensional world that is habited by other beings. And I've got lots of other videos where other things which are somewhat anomalous get explained quite well by the presence of a 4-dimensional realm. So there you have it. That's cattle mutilations for you. If you found that interesting, I hope you just press like. That would really help me to spread this channel to people who are interested in this kind of thing, because I think this is a topic that gets very little attention in the mainstream YouTube channels, and it would be nice to have this discussed more widely, the topic of the 4th dimension. Okay, that's all for now. All the very best to you. Take care. Until next time, over and out.